guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Not giant, but fun nonetheless. I'm kind of scoping out, oh, Alex is playing. Trying to scoping out for some new fall stuff, but I haven't really seen any lately, so there's that. All right, so nothing too exciting. I got some parchment. It's gonna get inflated to $1.50, but I'll find another source at some point. I grabbed these. These are the Onyx brand, and they're the foot repair, just like hyaluronic acid. You soak your feet. This one, I think yeah. Okay, leave it on for 10 minutes. It moisturizes dry, track skin and soothes rough feet. So I grabbed two. I love doing little foot masks and stuff. Oh, also from the Onyx brand for the foot, I found a pumice. Because that was fun. I should start collecting these things for gift giving. I grabbed a package of these. These are the no sugar added. Little candies. They have coconut and they have hazelnut. These are the hazelnuts. Best by $8.31. So these are nearing, and these are past their Best Buy. I mean, they're fine, but whatever. This is an exciting cup. I don't need any more cups, but this one glows in the dark. Like what? It glows in the dark. I thought I would bring it camping, right? And put my water in it for in my tent, car tent thing, in my car. And then I can see it at nighttime. We'll see. I don't know how long it glows, but I just thought it would be fun. Let's not all get crazy here. Let's see. Oh, I grabbed one more of these because I used one and I want to make a bow. I love this pattern with the navy blue, just wire edged ribbon. And then they had this pattern out, which I think kind of matches that, or does match that. Yeah, it's exactly that. Well, sort of. This doesn't have any green pumpkins on it, but I will just set this somewhere. It'll be pretty for fall. I'm not going crazy. I've got plenty of fall decor, but I liked that, so we got it. This I'm also taking camping with me so that I can make, I'll bring a regular coffee cup, but if I'm gonna like go to the festival, I think it'll be better to have these. They are recyclable except for the lids. Are the lids? Yeah, the lids are recyclable, but it's just cardboard. But I thought these would be good in the morning to take my hot liquid with me. So I grabbed these to bring. And then in the car, I will need some napkins, paper towel napkin situation. So I just got these. They do say gather together, but I just thought they were fun. I'll probably bring a roll of paper towels as well in case I have any spills or whatever, but these are just handy. So that's for camping. I got this Freeman Hyaluronic Acid Magnesium Renewing. Oil-free, overnight, rich cream. So it's a night cream. Let's see. The box is a little misguided. You think you're getting a bigger container. Freeman, it's a brand they sell at like Walmart. I like to sniff it because I don't want perfumes. It doesn't really have a scent. It looks like a cold cream, that's shiny. And let's see. I've been putting Aquaphor on my face at night. The Aquaphor stick, I just rub it on and it's great. But I could put this on first and then that. So I put them on my hand just to see how it feels. It's very soft. Oh, I bet this would be a good hand and probably a foot mask as well. Yeah, and there's no scent to it, which is good. Actually, I'm going to take these out and use this for a trash bag. I don't have much in here at all. I just grabbed these. They're handy. They're the plastic drink cups with the lids, and you don't need a straw with these. You can just pour, but I do have straws. And these are a 6 count, and they're 12 fluid ounces. So these are nice, just handy to have. I don't use them all the time, but if I'm going someplace and I don't want to worry about my cup coming home with me, then I bring those. I found these Ohio State water bottles. I believe they hold 16 ounces, which is perfect. So what I've been doing for football is, because it's, I've been making a latte. So I put 8 ounces of espresso, and then milk. I just got a message from somebody. I was wondering what that was. So yeah, I'm excited. These were great. I've already used one. Did I show you guys this stuff? I don't think I did. I don't think so. I found this little frame and I love the detail. I could put a little miniature cross stitch in it, and I thought that is perfect. It's just a sweet, you could actually take the stand off the back if you wanted to. Take this thing off, put magnets on it, and you can hang these on your refrigerator. And they're wood, so you could paint them to match whatever your decor is. I might do that. And that's glass, so that's pretty neat. Oh, I needed a wine opener. I got the pickle, but I thought this is better for Christmas time, winter, for wine or whatever. And it's opener. It's for me, so I can open it. Yeah, you just slip it over your bottle of wine. Tell me that is not adorable. I might need to get one for a Christmas gift for somebody if I see him again. I'm losing things here. What is this? Oh, I got these. I need to put them in my car. I put them in my cup holder, and they absorb if I spill coffee or sweaty cups or whatever. They're actually microfiber facial pads, but I just drop one in my cup holder and then I can wash them. And I've had the same 2 for a long time, so I got a new set. Also, they come in this neat little bag that like zips open and shut. Travel, these are great if you want to use them for your face. They're small, they don't weigh anything. You have a sort of abrasive side and then a soft side. So that's awesome for vacation. I grabbed these for pottery. I bought some wire. It's called Canthal wire. It goes in the kiln, so you can put it on, like if I made something like this, which I might, that's super cute. You would put your wire loop in here, and then you fire it through the kiln twice, both times through the kiln, and it's high heat, so it can stay, and then I can hang whatever I want from it. This would be a super fun little ornament to make. So I need to cut the wire and bend it. So I just got cheap wire cutter and a needle nose, so I can leave them in my pottery bag at the studio and bend the wire as I need it. So I just grabbed those. They're fine. And the last thing I found are genius for any type of traveler. I actually ordered these on Amazon for my last trip. I wonder what the ingredients are in here. So these are okay for hands. They're not pure Castile, so I wouldn't use them on like dishes or anything. The ones, I'm gonna open one package. The ones I got were from somebody. Coleman, and they were pure Castile soap, and you could use them on your dishes. These are not, but you get a little carabiner, which is, I always need those. So it hangs, you open it up, and inside, yeah, this one is very scented, fresh scent. It smells like laundry detergent, which I don't care, it's hand soap. If you've ever been out traveling and you need to wash your hands, this is a shaving of soap. Wet your hand, lather it up, and rinse. And you have it in your bag at all times. Don't make the mistake of reaching in with a wet hand, or they will all stick together and you will have ruined your soap sheets. I think these are pretty fantastic. Oops, I just pulled them all out. So we're gonna put them back. I got 2 packages because you never, oh, well, that's kind of broken. Oh, I broke the lid. Well, I will hold this one and use the other one. But this one is the linen scent, and this one is coconut. So let me check coconut. And I have another one of these containers. I just used most of the soap. Is that better? Yeah, this one's, oh, it smells good. So what I'll do is use this one first and then refill it with the other one. But I'll just throw these, like, hook it inside my bag. Usually I'll put like this, a pack of tissues for toilet paper, and a hand sanitizer. And I always keep, when I'm traveling or going anywhere, I keep those in my bag. And if I have to go to the bathroom and there's no toilet paper, soap, or something, I got everything covered, and a stain wipe. So that is everything. I'm sad this one broke, but it's okay. I broke the lid. And what I could do is just put them in a zip top baggie. Not a big deal, but so we have 2. So I thought that was fantastic. And that, my friends, is everything that I got at the Dollar Tree, I think. Let me double check. Yes, I'm collecting trash, these bags. I use them for my cat litter, but I also use them for trash bags when I'm camping. So I've been collecting. But that is everything I got at the Dollar Tree this week. Like I said, I didn't really see anything too exciting. So we'll see. We'll see what's up in store for us next. But I hope you enjoy, and I will talk with you later. Bye. I think these are new. They're glow-in-the-dark plates. That's adorable. We'll need those. We need those. Oh, and the glow-in-the-dark little ghost dish. That'll be fun too for fall. Okay, these are new. These are new for sure. Here at my store. Cute. They're just little gift bags and boxes. Oh, cute. Oh, I love that. Let's get that down. Hello. This is 100% going to my desk at work, and this is for my little cousin's goodie bag that I'm sending her for college. So I have 2 of those. Oh, cute. I found the new stuff, and I'm not sure who's lost, but hi, Alabama. And then some more of the big repeat stuff. Oh, the gnomes are back. Let's see. Oops, sorry. I can't remember if they're the same or not. They brought these back. Those are fun. Tabletop decor. Could put that on a wreath. Bones. Fun stuff if you decorate for Halloween. I don't really decorate too much. Okay, these are absolutely new at my store this year. I need the little witchy girl. She's cute. And then those pumpkins. Oh, these are new too. Definitely new this year. Super cute. I don't think that's new, but look at them. The unfortunate part is a lot of them are messed up. Okay, we got some new stuff over here. I love that. Just lay it on your table. And this is like a rubber. Oh, that's heavy. Pumpkin ale. Those are not new. Skull. These are plastic, but you can fill them. They have a cork top. You can make potion bottle. Cute. Those are also plastic. All right, well, I've never seen these before, but $10. They're just the crates. Those are $10 now. They're priced. I'm assuming that's 7, possibly 10. Questionable. Fall. I have crates, so I don't need that. And they're Halloween costumes. Cute. $5 still, so that's not bad. Oh, if you're a Steelers fan, I need this in the Buckeyes.
I'm gonna go right around you, man.
Okay. You can just shove my cart out of the way. I'm in the way of everybody.
Hey, I'm not in a hurry.
Dang
So
it.
the red dots mean they're going up. They're higher.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or different.
Maybe they'd be different, like in cheap. All right.
Oh, dang it. Detroit lines. Look at these. Guys, I need these. But I need one for the Browns, the Bengals, maybe, or Buckeyes. Because I'm mad. They have those for the Lions, too. So fun. They have those. I just want an Ohio team. And I don't see an Ohio team.